Hi there, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how can you revoke access to your microphone and camera on Google Chrome. One day or other, you might have noticed that when you try to access a site, it asks for your camera and microphone permissions. But you might have accidentally denied that. Now, you might be wondering how you can revert that action. To do so, simply click on the three vertical dots present at the top of your screen. Then click on the Settings option. Under the Settings, you can see the Privacy and Security tab. Click on the Privacy and Security tab. Then click on the last option that says Site Settings. Click on it. Here you can see a number of other options as well, but we need to click on the microphone. Make sure to select the first option that says Sites can ask to use your microphone. Here also you can see that these are the list of sites which you have blocked access to. So to revoke that access, you need to click on this arrow. After click on this arrow, you can see that microphone is blocked. Simply click on the drop down arrow and click allow. Then if you will go back, you can see that the site is gone. That means that site can now access your microphone. Now to do so for camera, simply go back and you can see the camera option just atop the microphone section. Click on the camera and make sure that you select this option. And here you can see the sites which you have blocked the access to. So click on this arrow and under the camera, simply click on the drop down arrow and click allow. Just go back and you can't see the site no more. So that means the access have been revoked and the respective sites can now access your camera as well as your microphone. If you like this tutorial, make sure to hit that like button, comment on the video, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks, have a nice day.